Fifth question. The class 10 students of a secondary school in Krishinagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their gardening activity. Sapling of gulmohar are planted on the boundary at a distance of 1 meter from each other. As you can see in the figure, sapling of gulmohar are planted at a distance of 1 meter from each other. There is a triangular grassy lawn in the plot as shown in the figure. So this is a triangular grassy lawn. The students are to sow seeds of flowering plants on the remaining area of the plot. That is, on the remaining area of the plot, they have to sow the seeds of flowering plants. Now the question is asking, taking first part, taking A as origin, find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. If A is origin, then find the coordinates of PQR. Second, what will be the coordinates of the vertices of triangle PQR if C is the origin? So in the second part, if C is the origin, then you have to tell the coordinates of PQR, and in both the cases also calculate the areas of the triangles. Then what do you observe? So first of all, let's start with the first part. Okay, if you observe carefully, we have to take A as origin, that is, it is 0, 0 in the first part. Then the coordinates of P. P is 4, this is, okay, I'll write it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 4, 6. So P is 4, 6. Then Q is 3, 2. And R is 6, 5. So these are the coordinates of PQR when A is origin. Now let's find the area of triangle also. We'll use the formula for area of triangle, that is half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y2 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So area in this case will be half into, okay, I am taking a mod because if we get a negative answer, we'll make it positive. It will make it positive. Mod will make it positive. So half into x1 4, y2 minus y3 2 minus 5 plus 3, 5 minus 6 plus 6, 6 minus 2. When we simplify this, we get the answer as 9 by 2 square units. So for the first part, the coordinates of PQR are these, and the area of triangle PQR we get as 9 by 2 square units. Let's do the second part now. That is, you can say, when the C is the origin. So if C is the origin, then take CB as x-axis and CD as y-axis. So this will be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this time P will be, as these will be all be negative with respect to C, all the values will be negative. So this will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14, and this will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. These all will be with respect to C, when C is origin. Okay, so P will be minus 12, minus 2, Q will be minus 13, minus 6, and R will be minus 10 and minus 3. Now these are the coordinates of PQR with when C is origin. Now let's find the area. Area of triangle, same formula, this one. So half into x1, that is minus 12 minus 6, y2 minus y3 means minus 6 plus 3, because minus minus plus, minus 13 minus 3 plus 2 minus 10 minus 2 plus 6. When we simplify this, we will again get the same answer, which is 9 by 2 square units. So what do we observe? We observe that when we took A as origin, we got the area of triangle PQR as 9 by 2 square units, and when we took C as origin, then also we got the area of triangle PQR as 9 by 2 square units. So we observe that in both the cases the area of triangle is same.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.